Mexican jumping beans, we're learning a new word, staccato. Say it with me, staccato. That's right. That means we're going to be jumping with our fingers. So when you see a note with a dot placed on the bottom or placed on top of the note, it means we'll be jumping instead of connecting the notes. So I'll be jumping like this, not. Right? Do you hear the difference? So with this, I'm going to pretend the piano is a hot surface. We don't want to stay on there too long. We just want to touch, let go, let go, let go. Okay? So let's hear how the entire piece sounds here. I'll play that slower. So beginning with our thumb on middle C, right hand, my left hand thumb on G. You don't have to jump very high. You just have to jump a little bit. So let's go slow.